Hello friends, welcome to the TCV's kitchen. Today we are going to talk about those things that we use every day in our kitchens but we can avoid buying them from the market for the purpose of quality and health. Many newspaper articles have come up and research papers have also been published suggesting that the issue of adulteration is more dangerous and serious than we thought. While the governments have started enforcing quality standards, we can take a little step forward by putting in some extra efforts. Let us start with turmeric powder. All we have to do is to buy some turmeric sticks or haldi ki gaanth as they call it in Hindi and dry them. Once they are dry enough, we can ground them into small pieces and send to a nearby mill who will make it into a fine turmeric powder for you. There you go! No poison, no lead chromate, absolute fresh haldi. Red chili powder. It's one of the widely used spices in Indian kitchen. But it is often adulterated with brick powder, which is similar in color and texture. The simplest thing to do here could be to buy red chilies instead of red chili powder. We can dry them and again send them to a nearby mill to get the powder. I would strongly recommend not doing it at home because it may have the risk of eyes or body inflammation. Again, the color is very natural, but the texture is a little bit coarse compared to the packaged ones. I like it this way because the texture has nothing to do with the quality or health. Indian cuisine stands out for its spices, and garam masala powder is the life of Indian dishes. It's time to check if you're using sawdust in your food or authentic Indian spices. To make garam masala powder at home is very simple. Just add all the spices and dry roast them. We keep it simple. We only use coriander, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. That is dhania, dalchini, ilachi or long. Are you wondering why I'm using a clay pot? Because it's way healthier. To know more, click on the link below. Grinding should also not be a problem, because the quantity is very less compared to the turmeric powder and chili powder. Guess its name? Yes, it's the king of spices or called as black gold. It was one of the very first items of commerce between India and Europe. India is the land of black pepper. So to enrich our dishes with the spice of the land, it is always better to go for peppercorns instead of pepper powder. The making couldn't have been simpler. Wheat is the staple food of North India. It is also consumed in the southern and the other parts of the country in the form of rotis and chapatis. The common things that are mixed with wheat flour, pebble straw, dust, wheat seeds and even chalk powder. Recently there have been many allegations of adulteration on top brands producing wheat flour. God knows what the truth is, But why settle for inferior quality when you have the chance of getting the best? Ginger and garlic paste. Starting from paneer butter masala to a simple chicken curry, no dish goes without this ingredient. I would strongly recommend making it at home because almost all of the packaged ones, they are stale and they stink. If you ask me one tip from my mom's cooking practices, I would say this: always make fresh ginger and garlic paste, don't buy it from the market. Might have happened with so many of us that the recipe that we see online doesn't turn out very well in reality. And the sole reason could be this. Believe me when I say that this is a game changer. Lastly, ragi or finger millet. This is one of the most nutritious cereals. Source of natural calcium and good for bone health for growing children and aging people. If something is so good for health, then why compromise on its quality by buying a ready-made powder? Make it at home. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I really hope that you will start practicing these tips right from today. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you want me to make a detailed video on any one of these topics, please post in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.